So nice and icy clear. There's a thrill in the air when there's a chill in the air. 'Cause winter is the coolest time of year. Come on, guys, let's make a snowman.
I have a better idea, Misty.
What's that, Ash?
Let's make a snowman.
Perfect. How about a Tentacool?
Or a Refrigioto.
Let's build a Butterfreeze.
Could we continue this discussion inside, where it's warm?
Oh, come on, Brock. It's cool out here.
Yeah, too cool.
Misty, we gotta get Brock to chill out.
I know how.
Me too.
Wait, no, not Snowdown!